Welcome to Healing from Narcissistic Abuse, a roadmap to reclaim your life. If you have survived narcissistic abuse, this video is for you. Step 1. Recognize the abuse. It's essential to acknowledge that the situation you were in was abusive. Understand that it's not your fault and that you deserve better. Step 2. Establish boundaries. Setting clear boundaries is crucial to protect yourself from further harm. Learn to say no and surround yourself with people who respect and support you. Step 3. Seek support. Reach out to trusted friends, family, or support groups who can provide a safe space for you to share your experiences and validate your emotions. Step 4. Practice self-care. Prioritize your well-being. Engage in activities that bring you joy and help you rebuild your self-esteem. Remember, self-love is the key to healing. Step 5. Challenge negative beliefs. Narcissistic abuse often leaves victims doubting their worth and capabilities. Replace these negative beliefs with positive affirmations to regain your confidence. Step 6. Set goals for the future. Rediscover your passions and dreams. By focusing on your aspirations, you can create a fulfilling life beyond the abuse. Step 7. Embrace forgiveness and let go. Forgiveness is not about condoning the abuse, it's about freeing yourself from the pain and anger. Let go of the past and embrace a future filled with peace and happiness. Remember, healing from narcissistic abuse is a journey. Be patient with yourself, and know that you have the strength to reclaim your life. Thank you for watching this video. If you want us to expand on any of the steps, please leave your comment, and, if the content has been useful to you, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more empowering content.